I just said that I'm super sleepy. Oh my god. Father Lord be with me. Wake up. Hello Varhandziwa, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome as well. Today I'll be doing some makeup. And the first thing that I'm going to start with is this Shine Essence Lip Gloss. This and the DC, what is it? The DCT lip thingy is the best for winter. Like, you need this for winter. Yeah, like, you need it. I already have my skin prepared. I'm gonna be going in with this dense brush from Color. And again, can we talk about my crown? So I'm gonna go into this Hermosa Floor palette, the first palette, and I'm gonna take this color called Angel Face. I may have drawn some door handles, but that's okay. I'm concentrating the eyeshadow from here all the way up. I'm not creating any round shape, and there's nothing hectic that I'm going to do today. So now that I'm done with that, I wanna use the very same brush to blend this. If you are new and you came a little bit late to this channel, we always have a blended eye. What is that? Guess what? We are done with the eyeshadow. I'm not kidding you guys. The eyeshadow is done. This is the eye look of the day. The only thing that you just need to do is to just put that eyeshadow and then start blending. Trust the process. So right now what I'm going to do is to take my old foundation that I have, and I'm gonna shake it. It's the Maybelline Super Stay. This one is in color Cocoa. One thing that I didn't mention to you guys is that on my eyes, I use this LA Get Pro concealer, and I use the color Light Ivory to actually clean my brows, as well as to use it as a primer. So I'm going in with this dark foundation to conceal my marks. You guys, I'm gaining that energy back. So now I'm going in with the foundation that matches me, the number 63 Cappuccino 30 Hour Wear foundation by Maybelline Super Stay. This is my favorite. Like, guys, this is my favorite. Like, and then I'm gonna be using this Black Radiance brush. And by the way, I made it to their page. If you would like to go and see me, I am right there, and I'm there twice. They posted my looks twice, you guys. I was so excited. I'm pressing in the foundation into my skin. This helps me to get like a very beautiful finish. And I'll say lately I find myself using a brush more than a sponge. That is because, first of all, brushes are easier to wash, more especially this brush, the black one. It's very easy to wash. Always blend your neck. For a lifted look, I am gonna go in with this it's like a flat brush. So what I'm going to do is to just to draw the line up connected to the wing of my brow. These brows, sometimes they'll be big, sometimes they'll be small. I just let them be, like, you know, freedom. They deserve to be free as well. They can be whatever they want. So yeah, usually with skincare, I would say nobody really cares about how you look, but when you are wearing makeup, you are attracting people to your face. So I wouldn't say nobody cares. People care because you're wearing the damn makeup, and maybe sometimes they're interested, or sometimes they're shocked that you really went out of the door like that, like you did it. So make them stay for the right reasons. Okay, I'm going into this the same concealer. You guys, one thing about me, I'll use the same thing. I'll use the same product, same brushes, same everything for the whole face. And when I find that my highlighter is a little bit light, I just mix it with my foundation. Oh my god, I just cancelled out my brows. Lord damn. Yes, this concealer looks a little bit light right now, but trust the process. And my mustache. What am I gonna do with myself? I'm gonna go to this palette, and I'm gonna take this color called Whole Mood. And yes, we are highlighting before everything. The highlight will be showing from underneath everything. Is it even visible? I think it's visible. Okay, I'm gonna go in with this color Chestnut, which is the LA Girl, because LA Girl, she's cheap and she's the one, like, she is the girl. This is a little bit too neutral on me, like it's a little bit gray. I have an idea. I'm gonna mix it with the corrector actually. Ooh, one thing about LA Girl, it will have water. More especially if it's been some time since you used the product. I hope I'm not gonna kill myself. So I hope I don't become super orange, because I would have ruined my look. I'm a little bit chubby. I'm a chubby kid. So my cheekbone, I think it dips somewhere in here, and I'm just going like a little bit up, just where my ear is starting. I think that is the best way I can explain how I contour. So I used to actually just put this everywhere, like I would do the contour, like I would place the product everywhere, but it would dry on me and I wouldn't, it becomes a little bit difficult to actually blend. I only like that only with my highlighters. So now I'm taking my face cloth, I'm gonna wipe it, and I'm gonna use the very same brush. So for me to be precise, I like to pinch the brush. If you're working with like a wider brush, I just pinch it, and so that I can be precise, and I like to blend that. And also as I blend, I'm keeping the product just where it is, trying to blend it at least upwards, so that, you know, it can look more and more blended. So I can see that I didn't really blend that thoroughly, but I like to work as I move. Like I like to move as I work. Which one is correct? Are they even both correct? You get what I'm trying to say, right? You guys, I like a lot of forehead highlight. It just gives me this vibe. Like I really like it so much. So now I am placing a little bit of highlighter right here. The reason why I'm doing this after is because I don't really want that snatched Michael Jackson nose. Because if I was to let this sit on my nose, I was just going to look really snatched, and that's not what I'm going for. Trust the process. Trust the process. Anyways, so I like to immediately go in to my setting, and I like to use this Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. I'm gonna use the same brush, guys. I'm not even like, just give me the products and one brush, I'm done. Like I no longer do that intense baking, you guys. Especially this winter, guys, you want to try to like avoid powders as you can. Not setting your makeup is also a trap. So what I do is I just like put it in there and just like start blending it in instead of like letting it bake. Please make sure like you take care of your skincare. Like your skincare actually like can make or break your makeup. And even on my oiliest, even on my oiliest, moisturize and hydrate. By hydrate, I don't mean drink water. I mean drink water because it's good for you, but make sure your face is hydrated, and also drink water. So I'm just gonna go in with this contour palette, and it's by Black Radiance, my favorite. And this one is light to medium, so I like to just place it where I put my contour, and I like to angle it, like I'm putting it at an angle, so that I bring the fake jawline that I do not have, darling. You see right now, you guys, it's hot outside. Like it's super hot. I'm telling you, it's hot. Come night and mornings, you'll cry. You'll feel like the mother of the dragons from Game of Thrones. I don't know why I'm talking about Game of Thrones, because I really hate the way it ended. I am not a fan of how Game of Thrones ended at all. Like, how could they do that to me? I just feel like I wasted like my varsity. Like you guys, I started watching that thing in varsity, and I remember having to rewrite an exam because I was watching Game of Thrones and thought I would start studying around 8 o'clock. Come 8 o'clock, I was tempted to watch the next episode. I did that, and the next thing is actually around 12. I'm telling you, me and my friend rewrote that exam. We had to go for supplementaries because we didn't really study because of Game of Thrones, for it to end like that. And I'm busy telling my sister, because now she's just starting to watch it. I'm like, do you really want to watch it? I'm like, it's a good experience. It is good, but I don't think you like how it's going to actually end. Somehow, like I can like put a lot of product going with a lot of things, but the way I place my products, I just end up looking a little bit natural. Guys, words are flying like. So now I went into the absolute powder. So I like to bring it here, the corner of my, what is this, of my mouth. That is more like a guideline of where I'm actually putting this. What we're going to do now is to go in with a blusher, and I always use this almond what is this, toasted blusher by Black Radiance. So I'm gonna use the same brush. You guys, you think I'm playing? And I like to go just where we put the contour, you see, on top there. So I like to put my blusher all around my face, just to, you know, make sure that, you know, my face looks, it looks combined, it looks together. So now I'm going in with the mascara, and it's the Voluminous Mascara by Maybelline. Let me try this Fenty, Fenty, the Fair Beauty lip gloss, and I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. This lip gloss, you guys, just an update. It's becoming super sticky. It's just not becoming as nice anymore. If I wear these lashes, it is over. What did I tell you? Of course, I did fix my crown as well. I'm gonna go back to the same contour palette, and it is this one. I'm gonna contour my nose. With my nose contouring, I just like to bring it in like that, so that the nose looks like it's coming from my brows in a way. After God, fear men. After men, fear women who recreate their faces. Fear them. They are professionals. They are the ones, they are talented. I'm gonna go to highlighting, and I'm gonna go into the same palette. So with the nose highlighter, it's okay if you like to do it. Like, it's okay if you want to highlight like the whole nose from up here to down here, okay? It is a choice. You know, sometimes maybe try this, just try this trick and tell me how you feel about it. Just highlight just here only, you see? Can you see that? And then if you want a more Michael Jackson nose, you can just highlight the tip of it, just right here. So what's going on here, you skipped like something here. You highlighted right here and stopped somewhere there, and then you went to the tip of your nose. Try it and tell me how you feel about it. It's my highlighters, you guys. I don't want to blind anyone. I want people to look at me. I mean, why are you wearing it if people are not gonna look at you? Like, I want people to look at me. So it would make more sense that you have a blinding highlighter, because load shedding, like, and you still need to be seen. But on a normal day where it's like light outside, it might not be funny to you, but I stay alone a lot of times, and everything that I say, even though it's not funny, it becomes super funny to me. But what I'm saying is, on a normal day, let's look at you, like, let's look at each other. You see, you can see I have a highlighter on, but it's like a healthy highlighter, and it's something like you can look at me, you guys, like, you understand? So this is the final look, and I don't know, how do you guys find this look? I really like it.